Good morning everyone. Myself Rishabh Malviya, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Pharmacy, School of Medical and Allied Sciences, Galgotias University. Today we will discuss about pharmaceutical prescription. First of all, prescription. What is prescription? Prescription is a written order given by a registered medical practitioner to a pharmacist for preparing and dispensing medicines. The prescriptions are generally written in English language, but some Latin words or abbreviations are frequently used in order to save the time. It means it is a written order. We cannot change the medicine without the consultation of registered medical practitioner. And it is given by RMP. RMP means registered medical practitioner to a pharmacist. For what purpose? To prepare and dispense a drug. Now we will discuss about various parts of prescription. Date, name, age, sex and address of patient, superscription, inscription, subscription, signa or signatura, renewal instruction, and signature, address and registration number of prescriber are the basic parts of a prescription. Now we will discuss one by one. Date. First part is date. Date is an important part and it is required to identify the time of prescription, at which time, at which date it was prescribed. Second, name, age, sex and address of patient. It is an important parameter, important parts of prescription which is also required for legal issues. It is used to identify the name of patient and isolate the patient from another patient. Superscription, it is denoted by RX and RX means by the name of God. Superscription is an important part of prescription and it is denoted by RX. And meaning of RX is the prescriber means registered medical practitioner prescribe the medicine by the name of God. Inscription is the most important part of prescription. In inscription, prescriber write the name and dose of drug. Superscription is another important part in which registered medical practitioner describe the time of and frequency of dosing. It means inscription and subscription are the most important part of a prescription. Signa or signatura, it is required, it is denoted and explained by registered medical practitioner about the medicine, how to take a medicine, in which condition we are required to take a medicine, patient is required to take a medicine. Renewal instruction is an important part when prescriber change the name of medicine or change the dosing frequency of medicine. Signature, address and registration number of the prescriber is another important parameter and it must be present in a prescription. Handling of prescription is divided into four parts. It is an important process during the prescription reading and all the prescriptions should be properly handled by pharmacist. It consists of receiving, reading and checking, collecting and weighing the materials, compounding, labeling and packaging of formulation. These four are the part of handling of prescription. Now in next slide we will discuss one by one. First part is receiving. The prescriptions should be received from the patient by the pharmacist himself. While receiving a prescription, pharmacist should not change his facial expression which gives an impression to the patient that he is surprised or confused after seeing the prescription. To avoid any miscommunication between the pharmacist and pharmacists should not change their facial expression during the reading of prescription. Second important part is reading and checking. On receiving a prescription, a pharmacist is required always to check it and that it is written in proper format or not. A prescription should always be screened behind the counter. In case of any doubt regarding the prescription, their ingredients or directions, the pharmacist should consult the registered medical practitioner or prescriber directly. It should not go through the patient. It may create confusion between the pharmacist, prescriber and the patient. Collecting and weighing the material is an important and most important part of it during the handling of a prescription. Before compounding the prescription, all the materials required for it should be collected on the left hand side of the balance. After weighing the material, it should be shifted to right hand side of the balance. This gives a check of ingredients which have been weighted. While compounding, the label of every stock bottle should be read at least 3 times in order to avoid any error. It means a pharmacist should check the name of ingredient that is mentioned in the bottle before the prescription or dispensing. It is also required when taken from the shelf or drawer, when the contents removed for weighing and measuring, and when the containers are returned back to its proper place. All of these points should be carefully considered during the handling of a prescription. Compounding, labeling, and packaging is an important parameter. Compounding should be carried out in a neat place. All the equipment should be clean and required should be thoroughly cleaned and dried. Only one prescription should be compounded at one time. The compounded medicaments should be filled in suitable containers depending upon its quantity and use. The filled containers are suitably labeled. White plain paper of good quality should be used for the labeling of container. There are some errors that may occur in a prescription. First may be abbreviation. Abbreviation present a problem in understanding parts of the prescription order. Extreme care should be taken by a pharmacist in interpreting the abbreviation. Pharmacists should not guess at the meaning of an obvious abbreviation. In any case of confusion, he should or she should clear it from the prescriber. Second error may be name of the drug. There are certain drugs whose name look or sound like those of other drugs. Some of the examples of such drugs is as digitoxin and digoxin. Both are different drugs and used for different purpose. They have a very different therapeutic effect. So, name of drugs should be carefully observed before the compounding and dispensing of drug. Third important parameter is strength of the preparation. The strength of the preparation should be stated by the prescriber. It is essentially so the strength of a product that are available in the market. Dosage form of the drug it should be clearly mentioned in the prescription. Many medicines are available in more than one dosage form like liquid, tablet and capsule. So dosage form should be mentioned in the prescription. Dose of drug is an important parameter and prescriber should be discussed in the prescription. For any confusion, pharmacists go and discuss with the prescriber. Pediatric doses may present, so pharmacists should consult pediatric pathology to avoid an error. Instruction for patient is an important parameter that is given by a pharmacist to patient. The instruction for the patient which are given in the prescription are incomplete or omitted, and in such case, a pharmacist should go through the prescriber and discuss it with prescriber. The quantity of drug to be taken, the frequent and timing of administration should be clearly given in the prescription to avoid any confusion. Incompatibility between the API and excipient or between the two or more than excipient is an important parameter that should be considered before the dispensing of medicine. It is essential to check that there are no pharmaceutical or therapeutic incompatibilities in a prescribed preparation and that different medicines prescribed for the same patient do not interact with each other to produce any harmful effect. Certain antibiotics should not be given with meals since it significantly decreases the absorption of drug. Compatibility may be physical incompatibility, chemical incompatibility, and therapeutic incompatibility. Due to the interaction of API and excipient or between the excipient, any change in the physical form of formulation is due to the physical incompatibility, while chemical incompatibility include chemical interaction between the API and excipient or between the interaction between the excipient. Therapeutic incompatibility is leads to the change in the therapeutic effect of drug, therapeutic potency of drug. It may be synergistic effect, antagonistic effect, or additive effect, depending upon the interaction between the two API or between the API and excipient. So incompatibility should be taken in consideration before the dispensing of medicine, before the dispensing of formulation. So in this slide, we will discuss about the summary of complete study. It can be summarized from the complete study that pharmaceutical prescription is a written order. Pharmaceutical preparation is a written order by registered medical practitioner and handling of prescription is a major concern and should be considered before the dispensing of medicine. Following question may be arise from the complete study. Question may be define pharmaceutical prescription, enlist various parts of prescription, and categorize various concerns related to prescription handling. These are the some references. If required, can be go through these references for further study, for advanced study. Thank you. Thank you very much for your kind attention. For any issue or question, you can contact in the given email ID and contact number. Thank you. Thank you very much.